This is the FlexiAir tutorial video. First up, the specifications. Feel free to pause the video to check out all the details. Next, I'll show you how to fold the FlexiAir. Start by folding the detachable seat. There is a latch under the seat that will allow the seat to be folded when held. While holding the latch, raise the seat up to dislodge the base from the hook, and while still holding the latch, collapse the seat down as shown while making sure that the front of the base is over the hooks in order to fold it down completely. Now push the seat back and confirm that it is locked in place as shown here. Fold down the backrest and proceed to retract the stem of the handle like so. Next, to collapse the handle, push up on the safety lock in order to pull the latch and unlock it. With the FlexiAir folded, you can trolley the scooter easily. As a quick aside, the FlexiAir is even easier to store in the boot of your car as shown here. While the total weight of the scooter is 25 kilograms, detaching all the different components makes the weight of the individual components manageable even for the elderly. Moving on to unfolding, we're going to start by bringing the stem back up and locking it in place like so. To bring the seat back up, unhook it by pushing it forward slightly, and once again pull on the latch at the back of the seat to release the lock and unfold the seat. Before setting it in place, check to confirm that the front base of the seat is locked into the hooks. Now, just raise the backrest and extend the handlebars to your desired height and it's ready for use. Oh, did I mention how convenient that detachable seat is? You can even use it as your seat for when you go fishing. Okay, stop making fun of my fishing technique and let's talk about the functions and features of the FlexiAir. The mini wheels at the front prevent the FlexiAir from tipping over in the event that too much weight is applied to one side. The front wheel has a spring suspension for a comfortable ride, although I wouldn't recommend going off-road. As with all previous Flexi models, the FlexiAir comes with a retractable back tray for placing bulky items. There are reflectors attached to the back as well. The front trolley handle is also retractable and fully detachable to lessen its overall length for storage if needed. The grip throttle is located on the right handle as shown here. On the left is the toggle to change between the 3 different speed settings. Below that is a horn, and right at the bottom is the toggle to switch between forward and reverse drive indicated by the letter F and R respectively. Another staple of the Flexi model, we have the brake lock which, when engaged as shown here, will hold the lock in place to prevent movement. Pull the brake again to release the brake lock. Use the key to turn on the FlexiAir. You can toggle the headlight on and off as shown here, and there is also a battery indicator on the right. Now let's take a look at the battery and how to charge it. Much like the seat, the battery is also detachable. Make use of the key provided to unlock the battery compartment. Here, you'll find the charging port as well as the on-off switch for the battery. To reattach the battery, align the battery to the plug as well as the edges of the battery compartment. Once it's secured, the battery compartment can be locked by simply pushing the key lock in as shown here. You can charge the battery either on or off the FlexiAir. This makes it convenient for those who prefer to lock their scooters outside their house, and all you need is to bring the battery home for charging. And that's it for the FlexiAir tutorial. Here's me using the FlexiAir as a bag carrier because why not? As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or visit our website to check out the FlexiAir and more.